What's up, guys? And welcome back whoop, whoop, to another just regular video. Oh, jeez, I'm tired. Just woke up. Gee. Oh, hello, Mr. Cake. I want to eat some of this cake. I'm going to call him number 2. No. Did I mean to click there? No, I didn't. I'm stepping on the cake, the royal cake. My tail. Oh no, the royal cake! I'm just gonna do this by keyboard. Grr. Do you notice anything different about me? To move a little forward. I can't even reach it. I have a different color. Well, different thing. I still can't reach it. Pause on that thing, but still. Usually I have like this, but I changed it to this because I think it looks cool. You know what? I got an idea. I got something new today. 2 things actually new. I need you, and none, and hang on, probably be a second or 2. I'm talking alright. That's crepe. That's what I should say now. Instead of crap, I'm gonna say crepe or cramp. Yeah, cramp. I don't know. Yay! I got it. So I got these. It's not much, but I think it's cool. Should I have the star? No. Because I've been using the star like every day. But then again, the star is like perfect. I mean, I just can't use the phantom one. Otherwise people will think like, oh, what the heck happened? Like, jeez, dude, why are you like evil and you're like all... and you look like that and stuff. Is this supposed to be a monkey or is that supposed to be a weird like a mushroom? I have no idea. But I usually use the star and the white because those 2 look good with like almost everything. I say this is like for like black and stuff. For like black stuff. But I never change it because I forget and stuff. Maybe I'll change it to a clover. No one ever sees a clover nowadays. Used to be the star. Now it's the clover. Because I got lucky when I got that. Don't even remember what I traded it for. No, I must get closer. Now I can eat it. Nom nom nom. Probably gonna get sick of it really fast. Yeah, let's turn on some music. It's starting to get some boring in here. This song. I like the beat to it. Sorry about that. It's so loud because I've been like playing it in my house. If it's not loud. Just a second. I know, I turned it down all the 8:16. Okay. There we go. Can you guys hear it? Yeah. Right there, it starts to get like a little lame. Let's just do this. Hang on. Are you gonna load? There we go. Some of you guys might be thinking like, seriously? This? Again? But I like the song. Just so y'all know. Oh my gosh, I'm just like looking out my window and there's like a huge like lake out there. Not really, it's just a giant puddle. I'm going to hide. I'm not a very good hider. You can definitely tell I'm there. Let's go here and play some of that, whatever that game is, I don't know. Make sure you're on low. Make sure you're... Dang it! Whoa, Phoenix dude! Yeah. I'm clicking left! What the heck? Dude, you're cool. How do you get all that How did you get all that? You had the full suit! Hey, what's up, girl? Hey, what up, girl? Hi! Hi! Hi. I love that face. If this guy's watching this, dude, you're cool. Friend you. Dude, you're sweet. Not like, yeah, you're so sweet. That too. Hi, in. Like, quality in, I don't know. In what? In that. What time is it? I'll be there. Come on, I got you. I don't know this part. In that. What are you talking about? Oh, pink girl. Still in what? Okay. God. Okay. What are you talking about? Scream with your water. Have you seen that parody for this? It's by Wasabi's. Oh, they're beast. You should totally watch them. But I wouldn't commit, like, saying, like, some... I watch a lot of weird shows, like Lost. I would not say you should watch that if you are under the age of 10. If you're under the age of 10, what up, dudes? Dang it. But he was like, what up, girl? Thought it was like that, but it was like, what's up, girl? You broke my heart. I just keep on doing that. It's like, I don't know why. Oh. That's like the best part of the whole song. Bro, I'm gonna change it. Just for you guys, even though it... Yep, and it was changed! What's the song at? Hey, over there. I think I'd play this song next. Oh, you guys start! No! Are you gonna load? It's already been 8 minutes. Thank you. Once I got so far, it seemed like it was like in the middle of the lava place. Yeah. Man, no, that sucked. Come on! Hey! You're flying! If I could escape the crowd somehow, I should talk like this from now on. So that way you guys can hear me. Is it better? Would you rather this? Hey guys, how's it going? Would you rather that or this? I think I should talk like this from now on. Oh no! Oh no! How many points did I get? I didn't even make it to the snowy place. Jeez, I suck at like every single game. Bad and crazy. Yeah. Oh, I didn't think that would work. Jeez. Nice high. Okay, I'm still going. Okay, after this one. No, just kidding, guys. But I should actually talk some lower, because I figured out that I've been talking really loud. I yell sometimes, like, I'll be like talking like really slow, and then I'll just be like, whoa! I figured that out. My parents told me that. See, that's how big of a score I got. We scored. I think it means like high score. I don't know. But it got that big. It's pretty insane. Yeah. No! It's weird because you play every game. Oh, just so you guys know, if you are trying to figure out a way to get like some of the lab, just press right click, go down to quality, and click low. It would make it like kind of like weird looking, like he looks like he's twitching, but oh well. You're a boy? I thought you were called no offense. Okay, this song's laggy. Bat the Basset. Okay, this has been 10 minutes. See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you later. Love you all.